name is Ida Kohu. I grew up in Hamilton/Waihi Beach. So yeah, it was city, country, ocean side. I am the Planning and Reporting Advisor for the Office of Ethnic Communities.
What does that involve?
I was scared you were going to ask this question. So basically it's ensuring that the office, that we're looking after our business accountability,
Yeah.
and making sure that we're dotting our I's and crossing our T's pretty much. I am in my 8th year with the department. Yeah,
Yay.
this year,
Oh.
since this year.
And what?
I am a musician. I've a formally trained musician, so I play piano, and I've played the clarinet. And I'm Māori, and I'm learning how to speak te reo. So kapa is a coupling of two of the things that I really love, and it's awesome that I have the opportunity to do it here at work. Why do I keep coming back? It is about whanaungatanga. It gives me an opportunity to express myself in a way that's not necessarily on paper. What other things? I can have a laugh with colleagues. You know, I don't need to take myself so seriously. And I learn something. I learn something from a group of people that I don't otherwise work with. So yeah, there's a number of reasons why I come back to kapa. Come as you are. Don't be shy. We're not there to judge you. We're all there to kind of have a laugh, have a sing-song. For some people, a lot of people come for their own reasons. So yeah, come as you are. I have a list, but if I were to sing one song, I'd probably rock a Donna Summer song. So, Last Dance. Yeah.
Oh.
Hashtag Wai Come Te Haka.